Self-study is hard. While VIVA has spent the last 3.5 years building what we believe to be the most valuable CIMA resources for self-studiers, we know that some of you are looking to supercharge your study. Some of you want more support and structure for your CIMA studies. While some students like working things out for themselves and going at their own pace, other students like to have an experienced tutor show them the fastest route to a pass. That's why we put together VIVA's live online course package. If you're looking to greatly enhance your chances of a first-time pass and want to get through the qualification much more quickly, then you should definitely think about our live online class option. As with all of VIVA's study packs, we've aggressively benchmarked our offer against the most established tuition providers on the market to ensure that what we offer is, in simple terms, better. Not only that, but we continue to offer our materials for a fraction of the price of traditional tuition providers. To reduce the risk for our students further, we offer two important guarantees that you will not find anywhere else. One, our pass guarantee. If you fail your exam after taking VIVA's live online course, we will grant you free access to the next course available. Two, a no-nonsense next day money-back guarantee. If at any point during your live online course you're not completely satisfied, just let us know and we will offer you a 100% refund the very next day. If you want to sign up for our next live class, just follow one of the purchase links above or below this video, or write to us at info@vivatuition.com in case you have any doubts whatsoever you need resolved before committing to the course. We look forward to seeing you soon in our next live online course.